we guide you through how to delete all Google search history in 2026 using PC, laptop, or Mac. So the first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Then make sure you're logged in into the Google account where your search history is saved. Once the page loads, look for delete button located near the top of activity list and click it. A menu will appear showing different options like deleting activity from the last hour, last day, or a custom range. But if you want to remove anything, select all time. After clicking all time, Google will show you a confirmation window explaining that this will permanently remove your search activity across Google services. Simply click delete again to confirm. Within a few seconds, your entire Google search history will be erased from your account. If you also want to stop Google from saving future searches, go back to the main My Activity page, click Saving to Web and App Activity, and toggle it off so your search list won't be stored anymore.